Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make Swiss Christmas cookies. Please note that there are many variations of Swiss Christmas cookies, so feel free to experiment with different flavors and decorations. And get ready for Christmas cookie decorating. I'll be sharing the full recipe of royal icing and some fun decorating tutorials the day after tomorrow. I hope this helps, and let me know if you'd like me to refine it further. Here is a basic recipe and instructions. In 165 grams of room temperature butter, add 1/2 cup powdered sugar, 1/4 cup custard sugar, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Mix it. An egg and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix. A pinch of salt. And a total of 2 cups of flour. Now take note, do not over knead your dough. Yeah. And wrap your dough in a plastic wrapper and chill for at least 1 hour. And now, after 1 hour, roll out dough to about 1/4 inch thickness. Cut out desired shapes using cookie cutter. Oh, before that, please don't forget to preheat your oven to 170 degrees to 175 degrees Celsius. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes in 160 to 175 degrees Celsius. Again, guys, for cookie decorations and royal icing recipe, I'm going to post it after a day after tomorrow. Thank you for watching. This recipe, guys, is really good, not so hard and not very soft. This is perfect.